Hey foodies, welcome back to another episode of Jared's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how I make some Jamaican brown stew fish with some steamed crackers. So please remember to like and share this video, turn on your post notification. Why? So you won't miss out on any one of my videos. So let's start cooking. So guys, I have two whole snapper fish that I've washed and cleaned and sliced. I made small incisions down the sides, and I have a whole carrot that I've sliced. We have some green pepper that I've sliced in small strips, some onions, some tomatoes. I have some garlic and scallion and some okra, some thyme, my favorite, my scotch bonnet pepper. I can't cook without my scotch bonnet pepper. We have here some pimento seeds, my Maggie all-purpose seasoning and my Maggie fish seasoning, my Excelsior water crackers. We have some salt and black pepper, some vegetable oil, and I can't believe it's not butter. We also have some browning, okay? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and combine a teaspoon of salt, about a teaspoon of black pepper, and a half teaspoon of Maggie fish seasoning. If you don't have it, it's fine. You can just go ahead and use whatever you have. We're gonna go ahead and start marinating our fish. Let's get it all up in the cavity of the fish and also in the little incisions. Now guys, I'm going in with my vegetable oil, and I'm using about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We're gonna let it stay on medium to high heat because we need the oil to get very hot before we start frying our fish. Guys, my oil is now ready, and I'm adding a whole scotch bonnet pepper and about 2 cloves of garlic, and this will give the oil so much flavor and add a whole bunch of flavor to my fish as well. Now I'm going in with my fish, and be careful when you're adding your fish because you don't want the oil to splash, so you have to be very careful. And I'm going to fry one side for about 5 minutes, flip it over and fry it until it's golden brown. Now guys, one side of my fish is all done, and I'm just flipping it just to do the other one. So stick around. This is all done, so I'm now putting it on a paper towel just to absorb the excess oil. And I'm gonna start frying my fish number 2, so I will see you when it's all done. Guys, now I'm ready to start making the brown stew sauce for my fish. And I've went ahead and I've removed most of the oil, but I just leave a little bit just for the flavor. And I'm adding all my chopped garlic, and I'm just sauteing it just to get that burst of flavor. Now guys, I'm going in with the rest of my veggies, and of course my scotch bonnet pepper. This makes the difference with fish. This is not no ordinary fish. This is some Jamaican brown stew fish, and you cannot do brown stew fish without some scotch bonnet pepper for flavor. Not for spiciness, you know, but you need it for flavor. I'm also adding my pimento seeds as well. Guys, now I'm going in with about half cup of water. A little bit more of my Maggie all-purpose seasoning and my Maggie fish seasoning. We're gonna stir it around. I'm gonna go in with about 2 teaspoons of my, I can't believe it's not butter. And this will give my gravy a nice flavor. So now I'm going in with just about 1/4 teaspoon of browning. I don't like when it's too dark. I just want it to be slightly brown, only because it's brown stewed fish. But if you want to go ahead and add more browning, you're always free to do what you want to do. But this is how I am doing it, okay? And I'm gonna go in with about a teaspoon vinegar. Guys, now I'm going in with my fish and the rest of my veggies. That will be my carrots and my okra. Oh my god, you should smell this food. It is smelling so wonderful. My whole house just smells like fish. Not in a bad way, in a very nice way. Guys, for the final touch, I'm going in with my Excelsior water crackers, and this will be all the carbohydrates I need for my brown stewed fish. I'm gonna let it cook for another 10 minutes.
My fish is all done. It's looking so beautiful. It's moist, full of flavor, and the crackers is so soft and delicious. Here you have it, my brown stewed fish with steamed crackers. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Until next time, bye bye, take care.